Every time the wind rises, every time the sea roars, we hold each other tighter. From Charlie to Melissa, we rebuild, we remember, we rise again.
It's a long time when King passed through, 19 feet to shake the town in two. Charlie follow, bring grief and flame, but the heart of the people never the same. Hand to hand, them patch the road, hammer and nail, rebuild the abode. From parish to parish, the spirit one voice. We now bow down, we have to rejoice.
We will survive, we will rise, under storm and under skies. We build again, we heal again. Our courage never dies. We plant again, we sing again. Together we revive. From Charlie to Melissa, we will survive. Gilda flood the hillside deep, Gilbert tear down roof and keep. Still people gather, fix and pray. Jamaica strong in every way. Ivan crawl and Sandy rage. We turn each pain to brand new page. Neighbors share when lights gone dark. One pot, one song, one beating heart.
Every storm writes story in we skin. Every scar is where the light begin. Rain might fall, but hope don't drown. We rebuild the schools, the farms, the town. The sound of hammer, the cry of praise. Jamaica stand, the phoenix blaze.
We will survive, we will rise, under storm and under skies. We build again, we heal again. Our courage never dies. We plant again, we sing again. Together we revive.
From Charlie to Melissa,
We will survive. Then come Melissa, fierce and white, born from heat and ocean tide. She linger long, she roar and spin, tear down walls, but not we within. Fields wash out, tower bend low, but the people light still start to glow. From east to west, from hill to bay, the whole land rise at break of day. We will rise, we faith beneath the skies. We build again, we dream again. Our heartbeat never dies. We stand again, we sing again. Our spirit kept alive. From Charlie to Melissa, Jamaica,
we survive. So when the next wind whisper name, remember, we have walked through flame. Every time we fall, we rise again. For this island and its people, we endure, we rebuild, we thrive.